Hey guys, how are you? In this tutorial we will go over the prepositions of place. And guess what? My cat's gonna help me with this task. So it's very important to learn how to identify the elements and locate them in a place. Let's start so. Here we have a question. Where's the cat? As you can see, the cat is on the table. We use the preposition on when there are two elements in contact. Now, look at the next picture. The cat is under the quilt. We also use this preposition when there are two elements in contact. As you can appreciate in the picture, the cat is behind the mouse. In this picture, we can see that the cat is in front of the dog. How about this? Yeah, in this picture, we can appreciate that the cat is above the bed. When there are two elements which are not in contact, we use above. So the cat is above the bed. Now, in this picture, the cat is below the squirrel. When we have two elements which are not in contact, we use below. The cat is below the squirrel. Look at the next picture. The cat is between the alarm clock and the bed. However, when the element we refer, it's surrounded by several elements. We use among. So the cat is among the dogs. Now, where's the cat? It's in the box. The next picture. The cat is next to the ball. However, if the elements are not in contact, we use close to. So the cat is close to the ball. The cat left the house. Where is it? The cat is in New York City. We use in to mention places like parishes, neighborhoods, cities, countries, provinces, states, continents, and more. In this case, the cat is in New York City. Now, the cat is in 42nd Street. We use the preposition on to mention streets, avenues, roads, highways, and more. Finally, where's the cat? It's at the mall. We use at to mention the specific address or location. The mall is a specific location, so we use at. And that's all for now. Thank you very much, and please give us a like and subscribe for more content.